lifestyle. Because, after all, those who believe
Performance in gaming. At 42 inches, it's perfect for the desktop.
A flat screen.
That's awesome.
Right. So looking over here, again, it's something that you would never imagine with just a TV.
And starting this year, LG TVs will be one of the first
Viva Magenta, the Pantone color of the year for 2023. And of course, we didn't forget our LG refrigerator technology and innovations. With InstaView, simply knock twice to see what's inside, and with